All right, let's check out this ad from Daniel C. Mills, MD. It says, "Reclaim your youthful looks with a facelift from OC's top-rated surgeon, Dr. Daniel Mills. As a board-certified surgeon based in Laguna Beach, I've delivered thousands of success stories. Could you be next? Here's what we can achieve together: a reduction of wrinkles and folds, a personalized treatment plan, a newfound confidence, a new you. How do I do it? Many years of experience, advanced techniques, rated 5 out of 5 on Google reviews. I'm so pleased with the as a testimonial, I guess. I'm so pleased with the outcome of my surgery. Dr. Mills and his team provided excellent care. Another happy patient, another 5-star review. Ready to learn more? Get 75% off your 30-minute consultation. Now just $100. Book your appointment today." All right, so this one opens with "Reclaim your youthful looks with a facelift from OC's top-rated surgeon." Now I get it. You're trying to build authority right away. Now I get it. You're trying to build authority right away, but the problem is it feels like a resume, not a hook. You're leading with your qualifications instead of your prospect's pain or desire. There's no urgency, no emotion, no transformation. It just tells us what you do, but doesn't make us feel anything. Also, you're offering a 75% discount on a consult, but it's buried at the bottom. If that's the hook, it needs to hit early. Otherwise, people keep scrolling. And the biggest miss, right? The ad talks about you, not about them. It needs to flip the script and start inside the customer's head. What are they sick of seeing in the mirror? What's the one thing they wish they could fix? And so we're going to rewrite this ad using our rewrite playbook and flip this into a more punchier, benefit-driven copy that makes people in Laguna Beach stop scrolling and actually book. So I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of your ad here and drop it in my document. And we're going to focus only on the copy and the headline, and we'll make this rock for you. All right, so go. All right, so let's start with the copy. All right, so we're going to start with the benefit and a local call out, right? So we want people in Laguna Beach to be like, this is for me. I want to respond to this ad. So, hey, Laguna Beach, tired of pulling your skin back in the mirror. If you've been thinking about a facelift, this is your sign. All right, so we're speaking to someone who already knows what they want. They just haven't said yes yet. Imagine walking past a mirror and loving what you see. Right, we're highlighting how it feels after saying yes. This week only, get a 30-minute consult with Dr. Mills for just $100. All right, before we finish this rewrite, this is the kind of ad we create for medspa clients, along with the follow-up system we build using our customer acquisition process, powered by AI-led lead follow-ups 24/7, so no lead falls through the cracks. If you want to check it out, click the link in the description below or pin comment and schedule your demo. All right, so back to the rewrite here. So now we're going to bring in his credentials. So we'll say he's a board-certified surgeon with 25 plus years of 5-star results. So we bring in credentials, add in that attention there. Let's add in some scarcity, so limited consult slots, and the offer ends this week. Let's add in some sensory detail and transformation. So we'll say tighter jawline, smoother skin, lifted cheeks, and confidence that hits different. Okay. And then we're going to add in a frictionless call to action. So comment facelift, and we'll DM you the booking link. Then we'll give some final persuasion to close. You've waited, not walked, you've waited long enough. Let's make your reflection match how you feel. All right, let's throw in our headlines here. So the first one's going to be this facelift feels different. And the second one will be Laguna Beach is $100 consult. All right, so let's review this ad copy here. So it says, hey, Laguna Beach, tired of pulling your skin back in the mirror? If you've been thinking about a facelift, this is your sign. Imagine walking past a mirror and loving what you see. This week only, get a 30-minute consult with Dr. Mills for just $100. He's a board certified surgeon with 25 plus years of 5-star results. Limited consult slots, and the offer ends this week. Tighter jawline, smoother skin, lifted cheeks, and confidence that hits differently. Comment facelift and we'll DM you the booking link. You've waited long enough. Let's make your reflection match how you feel. The headlines are this facelift feels different. Laguna Beach's $100 consult. All right, so let's talk about what we did here. So this rewrite flips the focus from surgeon credentials to client transformation. We led with the emotional tension people feel when they look in the mirror, right? That moment. Then we deliver a simple, low commitment next step. $100 consult that feels exclusive and urgent. By the middle of this, we've already positioned the surgeon as, elite without sounding, like a brag. We use benefits, not medical jargon, and we close with a call to action that feels conversational, not a corporate announcement. This is what real copy sounds like. And so if you want us to build your ad and set up the entire client booking system, the ads, the AI follow-up, the lead nurturing, book a free demo at the link in the description or in the pinned comments, and we'll show you, live how it all works. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.